my lovelies, welcome to day 14 and yeah, I can't believe we're day 14. So today we're in Ecuador. Now yesterday we were in Chile and I love how that turned out. So I'm going to start on the back of this one. And before I do that, so my advent calendar, I thought it was 24 days, but it's not. It was 12. So yesterday I went day 13. Yes. So yesterday I hadn't opened it. That was day 1. So day 14 is day 2. It doesn't take a lot to confuse me. Oh, wonderful. So what I have started doing is, you'll have to look it up if you don't know about it, cash stuffing. And there's loads of people who've got channels and they do like little mini challenges. And so you'd have to work out, these are £5 each. And it's just a fun way of saving. And I've been sort of doing it for my nails and my hair colour, things like that. So, you know, every time you've got a spare £5, you colour a little thing in. And then when that card's full, you've got enough to go and get your nails done or whatever. And I've really enjoyed it. And actually, it's made me be more conscious of what I spend and made sure I've saved up things before I've had them. So this is the advent calendar is a cash stuffing one from Budget Mum UK. And yeah, it looks like this, day 2. Yesterday, got some lobsters on, which I weren't over fussed about. Nobody want a lobster card, they can have it. Not my thing. But I love today's. So yeah, so starting in January. That's really nice. I love that. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, £50 on there. So even if you want to go and treat yourself or something, perfume or whatever, you know, if you put £5 a week away, you're not going to miss it, are you? Anyway, that's today's. Let's go to Ecuador and see what's happening in Ecuador. Again, a hot country. Santa is not so prominent here. So whereas in Chile, that was a big thing. Not so prominent. Christmas in Ecuador is all about the pageants and the parades. And they have from the end of November to the 6th of December, Fiestas de Quito. Fiestas de Quito. I mean, that's like 6 whole days of festival. Also, there's a famous soup that they have at these festivals called guanabang, and apparently it's like a sweet and sour melon, white fleshy skin. But the national drink of Ecuador is aguardiente. Now, don't be fooled into thinking because it's got aqua and it's water that it's not going to knock you off your feet, apparently. When I was looking into it, it's made from fermented sugar cane, and it's like fire water, and it sets you, not for me. What's the point in taking it if your throat hurts then for a week after? But that's the national drink, and so it's something that they have at their Christmas festivals. So I thought that was really interesting. So I'm going to stick that. I've got a bit of washi tape that's got actually lemon, orange slices and cinnamon sticks. And I thought, oh, you can imagine them putting that in this fire water, can't you? And then I've sort of got some other bits here. Now, one of my envelopes from what I got from Etsy, my vintage envelopes, I've just put a thumbnail in the back of that, and I thought that would go nicely with this. So I found this ribbon in my stash. I thought that would just fit nicely on there, so I'm going to put that on there. It's quite stiff ribbon, so I'm Hoping so. How you doing? Hope you're well. We're roaring through these days, aren't we? You can't... we've got a lot of fun stuff coming up this week. And of course, David's birthday on the 16th. So that's going to be fun. Trying to keep ourselves busy. I think that's the thing, isn't it, when you're going through grief? Keep yourself busy, keep yourself entertained. We'll put in, decided I don't want the tree up this year. We've put some decorations up in the house, but I just couldn't face it because normally Nelson would sit there with us while we were doing the tree, and I just can't face it. So we're not putting the big tree up. We're just having some light decorations this year. Now, I found these leaves. I don't know whether... I don't know whether to use these leaves. And also, I wanted to put that on there, but then you can't see it. I'm obsessed with making little chipboard things at the minute. It's my latest thing. I'm having so much fun just doing chipboards. Let's see what these leaves look like. Yeah, I think that's nice. Is that one? Crikey, that's big. That's a bit big, that one. I think I had another one in here that was smaller. Let's see what we've got. It is. That'd be better, wouldn't it? Put the big one away for another time. And put them on. Just because you got, you know, we're not snowy. We're in a hot climate. Just be nice to have a bit of greenery on there. And I'm going to put some red berries. Okay, I like that. Now then, so that's going to go there. That's nice as it is with all the stamps and everything on it. I've got this, some paper I printed out from Christmas in Sherwood Forest that David did a few years ago. And I thought this would be nice to write on. Now, do I want a leaf at the top just to... Yes, but I don't want to cut it out. So let me just half glue that. Half glue it, and that'll be like a tab, won't it? Let me just round the edges, because I always think these things look nicer. So are you following along with the theme of the different countries, or... Oh, that's not going to work. Doesn't want to go, it's too thin. We'll not make a mess of it. We'll not make a pig's ear of it. We'll leave it. I'll see if that fits in there. Yeah, the thing is, yes, I've still got to have these holes so we can get it through the ring. Right, is there anything else that I want to put on there? There's a little. Shall we stick that on there? I think it's because I found these magnets. I'm obsessed. Obsessed with using them. There we go. Yes. Right, any washi tape, I think we will put a little bit of this drink washi. There. Like that. No, I think that's going to be overdoing it. We'll save that for another day. Right, is there anything else that I want to put in there? Might be a couple of cards. I've got any journaling cards or something. Look at them 3 turkeys. I'm not going to put them in Ecuador. They might not eat turkey in Ecuador. I don't think that's quite though. Let's have a look, see if there's any tags that aren't snowy. I think nearly everything I've got is snowy. Well, that's not. That's quite nice. Oh, and also that. So you could write inside that. That's not overly snowy, is it? That would be nice. We'll put that in. Just put that in there as well. Let me just straighten that out because it's there we go. Don't want any ribbon on that. Is that stuck down now? Yeah, it's stuck down quite well. I'm wondering if I did have a little bit of red. Yes, let's cut that out. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? There's like a topper on there. We'll do that then. Just be easier to take it out then, won't it? Just press that down a minute. I still can't get over how quiet it feels. Can you, David? It feels really quiet without Nelson doing a woof every now and again or whatever.
Yes. Yes.
Right. I'm liking that. That could go there. That's got a bit of an Ecuador flavour to it. I can just... We can use this bit for something else, can't we? I always end up with more scraps than I start with when I do these December dailies. Okay. Right then, so I think that's a nice quickie for today. We've got our lovely page there telling us all about food and drink in Ecuador. And we've got our envelope with some writing space in there. On the back, we've got this lovely red ribbon. So it's all about the sunshine. It's got a sunshine feel. Okay then, David, pleasey, pleasey. Tomorrow.
What day are we tomorrow? The 15th.
Are we the 15th?
Yeah.
Wait a
getting
minute.
low down. Yeah, of course we have.
Yeah. I had to look what we'd done. It's nearly your birthday.
Well, yeah, and that's it.
That's it. 17.
Oh, there we go.
15. Thank you. Yeah. So, tomorrow...
Another hot one.
Another hot one. It's all hot stuff here on this channel. South Africa. So Christmas in South Africa tomorrow. All right then. We'll see what we could do for that. Take care out there. Bye for now.